put it in there, I massage it in, I warm it up, and then I put a nice warm washcloth on top. And I want to talk to you about one of my favorite facial cleaners, and it is by Neutrogena, and it's called Deep Clean Cream Cleanser. And there's so many significant things about this product that I absolutely love. I've used this now for many years. I have ordered this time and time again. This stays underneath my vanity. Now, the reasons why I use a deep cleanser or Neutrogena's deep cleanser is because it's oil free. So if you have acne prone skin or already have oily skin, sometimes you don't want to use a product that is full of oil as well. So that's the number one main reason I use Neutrogena Deep Clean Cream Cleanser. Not only is it oil free, it's also very gentle to be a deep cleanser. Sometimes when you opt to a deep cleanser, you may feel like your skin is stripped of all its natural oils. And this doesn't do that. You still feel moisturized, but clean. It doesn't leave a greasy residue at all on your skin. And it's great for removing matte lipstick or the long wearing type lipstick, long wearing eyeliner, and mascara. It's oil free. It won't clog your pores. Great for acne prone skin. If you have young girls who are going through puberty and they're having breakouts, always use oil free products, and Neutrogena is a great start. You can also use this after wearing a face full of makeup, okay? Because it's going to remove all that makeup and all that residue that is normally left behind. So when I use this cleanser, I just put it all over my face. I emulsify it. I just put it in there. I massage it in. I warm it up. And then I put a nice warm washcloth on top and I press it in. I just start pressing it in. And what I'm doing is I'm loosening up any makeup. I'm loosening up any eyeliner or mascara. And then I start to wipe clean. Using that tip alone will not only work, but it will also make things go a little faster as well. I love Neutrogena. I've been using them for years. I think you guys will love it too. And the deep clean formula works without stripping your skin.